In episode 4, I would like to discuss how we actually determine the Fair Market Medical Association pricing for our facility. This is something where my surgery director and myself sat down and went line item by line item for each drug, each sponge, every device that we use in the operating room or the clinic to provide you services. We wanted to deeply discount that so it's just barely above cost in order to save you and your employer money. This is something we also compared ourselves to other locations across the country. We feel that living in a rural setting offers some price advantages. Our costs themselves are very similar to an urban setting. However, the cost to you can be passed off at probably a larger discount than being in a city. One of the advantages that we have living in a rural setting is we offer multiple transportation options for you guys to get to us. Just like the old movie, Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, we have easy access between a local airport here in Macon, a regional air carrier provider in Kirksville, Missouri, a railway that runs from Chicago all the way right next to us, and also adequate highways between Interstate 70, Interstate 35, Highway 63, and Highway 36. Those will give you ease of access to us to provide you the care that you need. In our facility, we're able to offer you steeply discounted costs in healthcare. Part of that is because it's done in an outpatient surgical center setting. We are much different than a hospital. Hospitals have great operating rooms, just like we have. But the difference is, sometimes they have to make up those costs for services such as an emergency room, or patients that have been hospitalized for prolonged periods of time that they don't see as much revenue or reimbursement for those services. Surgeries in a hospital setting cost a lot more because of the way that the costs are driven by per unit or per minute usage of the operating room. When we set our pricing structure, it's a flat fee. It doesn't matter if your surgery is 15 minutes or 2 hours. We set that fee based on the type of procedure that's being performed and nothing outside of that. In episode 4, we've talked about the Free Market Medical Association pricing and how we actually set those prices. In episode 5, we're going to discuss bundled pricing. This is a great advantage where there's only one price for all services that we provide to you.